Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my December Ipsy Unbagging. So if you guys want to see what's in my Ipsy bag for December, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the bag this month, I just saw glitter and I got really excited. So this is probably my favorite Ipsy bag I've ever gotten. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely adorable. This would be such a cute like New Year's Eve clutch. I love this bag. This is so cute. Ooh, glitter makes me so happy. And then here is the card inside. It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. That's gonna be my 2019 resolution. So that's the theme for this month. So first up, we have something from the brand Sugar. This says Mini Bronzer in Woody Wonder. So this, I've never heard of this brand before, and I've never gotten anything from this brand, but I don't know if they've been in Ipsy before. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a little bronzer. It actually looks kind of warm. So I wouldn't, ooh, it feels really creamy. So it is a little bit warm. So there is a swatch of the color for this bronzer. If you guys got this, let me know if you got this same shade. It says number 2, Woody Wonder, or let me know if you got a different shade, because it looks like there's gonna be a couple different shades. So let me know if you guys got the same one. So that's the first thing, something new, a different brand. Then we have, okay, this is gonna be awesome for like traveling. So this is from First Aid Beauty. This is their facial radiance pads. So I feel like they're like exfoliating pads. I have these from like Dermalogica, very similar product, or like the Pixie Glow pads. I feel like that's similar. Oh, cool. So it comes with 10 pads. I'm actually going to take this with me. I'm going out of the country next week. I feel like I've been saying that in every video, but this is something that I love to use, like products like these that are exfoliating on the go, really, really quick and easy. I always love products like this when I'm traveling, because sometimes like my skincare routine is just completely off. I'm not going to pack like every product I use on a weekly basis, so I like to bring things that are really practical, how I can do my skincare in like a couple minutes versus like a longer time. So I like to use things like this that are like really easy for on the go, and that way I don't have to bring like 50 different skincare products. So definitely gonna pack this with me. I've actually been wanting to try this, and I love First Aid Beauty. That reminds me, I need to buy a new cleanser from them before I head out for the holidays, because their red clay cleanser, that is my holy grail. That's like the #1 cleanser that keeps my skin clear, so I'm sure I'm gonna like this as well. I love their products in general. I have not tried out that one. And then next up we have a brush. Oh, okay, cool. This is like a blending brush. I can always use blending brushes. This is a very, very cute little handle, and this is from the brand Farah. It says 35E. This is like a perfect big fluffy brush. Ooh, I really, really like this. I always love getting brushes in my Ipsy. I like that the bristles have like different lengths in the brush, because that way it's not like super concentrated when you go to blend out. So that is definitely a brush I'm gonna use. I love getting brushes, especially eyeshadow brushes, because I have to wash my eyeshadow brushes probably like twice a week. I don't have a ton, and especially like how I did my makeup today, now I need to wash all my blending brushes because they're covered in green eyeshadow. At least I can use this one the next time I do my makeup, but definitely love getting eyeshadow brushes. And then next, this is from the brand Nomad, and it says Around the World. This is a light infusing powder, so I wonder if it's like a little mini highlighter. Oh, okay, so this is a purple eyeshadow maybe? I'm only ever gonna put this on my eye. I'm not gonna put purple on my face, but I totally thought this was gonna be, it does not even say the word eyeshadow on here, but it's definitely obviously an eyeshadow. The way the packaging was describing it, I totally thought it was, oh, that is so pretty. That is like a gorgeous New Year's eyeshadow, but I totally thought it was gonna be a highlighter or some kind of face product. I'm swatching it on like every finger because it feels so creamy and buttery. But that is a shade. It's like iridescent, so pretty, especially for like New Year's. And actually, if I blend this out, that can totally be a highlighter. I feel like this might actually be a highlighter. Yeah, that is totally a highlighter shade. Okay, so if you build it up, it definitely looks like an eyeshadow. But if you blend this out, that definitely is a wearable like purpley highlighter. So I think you could definitely wear it both ways. I'm not like super into colorful highlighters, but sometimes I do certain looks where like I don't mind it so much and it looks cool with like a certain glittery look or something. I'm not gonna put it on with my green eyeshadow today, but you guys can kind of get a feel for the color. And then next we have, I think this is a nail polish from Trust Fund Beauty. I used to get their nail polishes in my Ipsy bags like years ago. I remember like 2013, 2014. It's been so long since I've gotten nail polish from Ipsy. I'm gonna guess this color is gonna be green because the name is I Killed It. So this is like a winter foresty green color, really like this deep shade. I normally just stick to like nude nails all the time because that way if they get messed up, when my nails start to grow out, I don't have to like redo them as often. I can like wait till the last possible minute, but I do love like winter shades like this, like deeper colors. I think that's a really pretty color. So I actually got one more product in my bag for this month. I already went through 5 products, but there's one more product in my bag, and this is from Art & Co. It's called their High Dry. This is a hair care brand, and it says Moisture and Shine Cream. So kind of just like a finishing cream for your hair. I've tried out the hairsprays from this brand, but none of their styling products. I just want to like smell everything. Okay, so that smells actually like really clean. I'm gonna add a bit to my ends right now. I never really get, ooh, that smells so good. Oh, I really like that scent. Let me know if you guys got this product and you like the scent. It reminds me kind of like of the products from Way. So that definitely smells amazing. It makes me really, really happy. And I feel like I'm gonna bring this to travel as well because I was trying to go through my bathroom. I'm like, I don't wanna bring big bottles of like hairspray and everything like that. So stuff like this is definitely perfect for me right now for traveling for the holidays. So that's everything in my bag for this month. I'm definitely excited about the hair care product, the blending brush, and then the facial radiance pads. Those are like products that I'm gonna start using like today basically. The bronzer, the shade's like not my favorite. It's a little like too warm for me. The highlighter, I don't know. I don't really wear purpley highlighters, but it is a really pretty color and I would definitely wear this on my eyes. And then what else did I get? The nail polish. Do really like this shade. I will probably use this on my toes because I normally keep nudes on my nails, but I do know that this brand is really good because I do have other nail polishes from them. Like they last a really long time, like gel nail polishes basically. But that's gonna be everything in my bag for this month. I'm really curious as to why I got 6 products instead of 5. Let me know if that happened to any of you guys as well. And then also I do have 2 giveaways on my channel right now, a KYLIE Cosmetics giveaway, and then also a huge holiday makeup giveaway. So I will leave the links to those 2 giveaway videos in my description box. They're open for a couple of weeks, so definitely check them out if you guys want to win some makeup around the holidays. And that's gonna be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.